Guys, and thanks for stopping over and checking out my channel. I really appreciate it on my Whatever Wednesday, and this is probably going to be the easiest DIY you'll ever do, okay? So I got this burlap banner at Dollar Tree. They also come in this shape too, okay? And what I'm going to do for Valentine's Day is I have these foam hearts from last year, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on the burlap, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to keep them there. Okay, so there they are on the banner. How easy is that? Basically, I just placed them on there, but I have some Scotch tape, and I'll show you what I'll do. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, like, the piece, you know how you roll the tape up? And I'm just going to stick it there, okay? And then I'm going to stick it on the banner, okay? And if all goes well, well, it's a little bit sticky right now, but that should stay on. See how it's not falling off? And it gives a little bit of depth. And I'll do that to the rest, and then I'll end up showing it to you when I hang it up in the house. And I have one more DIY that I did last year that I can't wait to show you. Okay, so I just picked up these bunnies today at the Dollar Tree, but last year I got the white bunnies. And you know that big trend that people were doing with the see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. So what I did was, okay, so there's the hair. I just, glued it, hot glued it on, hot glued that, and hot glued that. How adorable. And then I just put some little flowers that I had actually had from the Dollar Tree. How adorable is that? How easy is that, guys? Okay? So anyway, that's it. Thanks for coming along on my Whatever Wednesday. I really appreciate you watching. I'm just going to try to figure out, whatever on Wednesdays, right? And also, I did just buy these today, and today, if I'm not mistaken, is January 25th. And I will do, I'll show you my big haul that I did today at the Dollar Tree. I'll show you that on Saturday, unless for some reason I have some time to do it earlier. But I did a really great haul today, and I can't wait to show you a lot of Easter stuff. All right, thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.